Yo, what's up guys? Serge here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually start doing affiliate marketing with any social media platforms out there. Yes, you could actually make money using social media by doing affiliate marketing. I'm gonna show you how you guys can actually do that with a strategy, step by step, on how you guys can actually start making money as of today. So social media has been out for several years now, and people are actually making money off social media, and you guys are figuring out how you guys can actually get a taste of that or get even a little piece of that. And I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually do that in today's video. And you guys do not really need to have a big following to actually start making money with this method. Yes, a lot of people do not have a big following or millions of views or anything like that to actually start making money. You guys can literally start making money with little to no followers whatsoever. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys a strategy on how you guys can actually get started by doing this. So I'm gonna actually have a step-by-step guide on how you guys can actually do this with just by doing these easy steps. So this first step, what you guys are actually gonna do is actually pick a niche, what you guys want to actually be talking about or what you guys want to be doing in your social media platforms. So how you guys are going to do this is actually, when you guys pick out your niche that you guys want to get into, what you guys want to do is actually learn your target audience. Yes, you need to learn how to actually target your audience and what people you are actually want to look for. And it's pretty easy to actually do this. If you guys already have a product in mind or products you guys want to be thinking of doing, all you got to do is go on TikTok, search up the product that you guys are thinking of doing. Or it doesn't have to be the exact same product. If that product's in your niche, you guys could literally just basically get inspiration on that video that you guys are trying to do. This is what you guys are going to actually be doing. So what you guys want to do is actually go on TikTok, the search icon. I have it right here in my video screen, so it'll pop up right now. So what you guys want to do is actually look up a product around your niche, see how people are actually doing with this product. So for this example, I'm actually doing Sony headphones reviews. So this is how basically a lot of people do affiliate marketing. So they basically review products to get a commission out of it. This is actually a good way to actually do affiliate marketing, is basically reviewing products, physical products, digital products. So what you guys want to do is actually just look up a good viral TikTok video that is around your niche. And what you guys want to do is actually just go to one of these videos. Let me pick out one video real quick. So I'm gonna pick this video right now, and you can see it has 301k likes with 434 comments. So what you guys want to do is actually go to the comments, all right, and see what people like. If people have any questions, you guys could actually make content out of that, or see what kind of target audience that you guys are actually want to be looking for. All right, so so people are asking these questions around your niche. All you got to do is actually go through it and see what kind of things that your audience is already looking for. You guys could literally just go to somebody else's page and see the comments, and you guys literally have a lot of content to create and a lot of questions to answer that most of these creators cannot. And you will actually get the same exact target audience that you are actually looking for, because that's what you guys want. You guys want to create content that your target audience is gonna be looking for. Okay, so this is pretty good that you guys can actually do that. All right, now going on to my next topic about creating content. Your content has to be engaging. It has to be good, but it doesn't have to be that good. All right, a lot of people actually think that you have to create a masterpiece right off the bat. Nobody ever created a masterpiece when they first get started. Look at my first video on this YouTube, and you will actually see a review about a product that I actually purchased, and it is an affiliate course, and that was my first YouTube video that I actually done. As I did stutter a lot, and I'm still kind of stuttering a little bit right now, but not as much as I did before. But when you guys are first starting off, you guys are not really gonna make that great content. To actually surpass that, what you guys are gonna be doing in your video is give value. Value is key when you guys are actually starting off. You guys are not gonna be making good content because you guys are barely starting off. A lot of people don't have good cameras. A lot of people don't know how stuff is gonna start working or anything like that. You guys are gonna have to learn a lot of stuff. Don't be discouraged if your content is not gonna be looking good because no one first video is, or first several videos. You guys are actually gonna start learning how to actually do stuff, how you guys could actually edit, how you guys could actually control the settings on your phones. You really don't need a expensive camera like a mic. You guys could literally, if you guys have a phone to create content, that's all you guys need. That's all you guys need. Just create content and that's it. Just press record and don't be discouraged on what people are telling you, because when you guys are first starting off, you guys are not gonna be good whatsoever. So get that out of your head that you need to make a masterpiece, but you do need to do a few steps. Be engaging, give value, and just be you. People will connect to you just by your personality. Let's say I'm doing tech and like some people are not being related to me. So they go to the next person that's actually doing the same thing I'm doing, but they relate more to that person and they decide to click on their link instead of mine. That's why affiliate marketing will never be saturated, because people, all you got to do is actually be relatable to that person and they will actually more willing to actually connect with you and your content. You guys don't have to be good with creating content. You guys are not going to be good. I'm going to tell you that straight off the bat, that you guys are not going to be good. But that's fine. All you got to do is give valuable knowledge of your niche, your product, be engaging, make sure to answer some questions that people may have. And yeah, you guys will actually reach more doing that than actually creating great content. The next thing that you guys actually want to be doing on your social media platforms is actually being consistent. With YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, they have one thing in common, and that is being consistent. For example, when you guys create your first Pinterest business account, you guys will not see attraction when Pinterest sees consistency from your profile. That usually takes about 2 weeks to actually start seeing results. Instagram, it could take up to a week, a month, depending on your content and depending on your niche that you guys picked. TikTok is also doing the consistent. You guys actually have to be consistent now that they have the SEO. You're trying to push the SEO content out there. You guys got to be consistent. With YouTube, you guys got to actually be consistent every single week. All right. And you guys won't see as much growth unless you stay consistent with YouTube. Okay. So you got to make sure that you guys actually schedule your posting, depending on the social medias you guys are actually doing. So actually start posting around and staying consistent, so you guys can actually start making money with affiliate marketing. Because affiliate marketing, the thing is, you actually need to get traffic to that company so you guys can get paid. So the best way to actually start seeing results fast is staying consistent and sending people to your links. So you guys gotta stay consistent, especially if you guys are starting with free traffic. You guys need to stay consistent, because if you guys do not stay consistent, you guys will not see traffic or clicks on your link, and you guys will not make any money. Now what you guys want to do is actually analyze and optimize your social media platform. All right, so what you guys want to do is actually just dive into your analytics and see what content is performing well and create more content just like that. So what you guys want to do is just basically, if you're on TikTok, they easily have an analytics that you guys can actually check, and they actually show you which one is the best performing video. All the other social media actually have the same exact thing. YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest show you the most viral video that you guys actually have. So that's what you guys actually do to actually know how how you guys can optimize your video and how you guys can create more content like that. Now is the best part of this video and show you how you guys are actually gonna get paid is basically with affiliate marketing. You need to apply for an affiliate marketing program. So what you guys are gonna do is actually just go to Amazon Associates and apply with them, because Amazon Associates actually has everything that you guys need, like physical products that you guys need that you guys want to be doing. All right, if you guys want to go digital product, I do recommend impact.com, but for this video, tell you guys Amazon Associates is pretty good to actually get you guys started. Okay, so how you guys are gonna actually get paid is by an affiliate program. Actually gives you a specific link that's ties to you, so whenever someone clicks on it and purchase, that commission goes directly to you. Okay, so how you guys are actually gonna do is actually just basically create a link tree, just like this creator has. All right, as you can see, she has her link tree on her TikTok bio, and all you gotta do is click on it, and it shows you all her affiliate links in this link tree. As you can see, she has her bows, great for gyms, the Sony ones that she reviewed, also the bows and the beats, and yeah, $30 headphones, and yeah, she has other affiliate links here. Okay, so that's how you guys are actually gonna start getting paid when you guys are reviewing products on social media. Okay, so the next thing that you guys want to do to actually start making money online is basically repost your content to all the social media platforms. Let's say you created TikTok. Okay, what you guys want to do is actually repost them on Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube Shorts. That's where you guys are actually gonna get the most traffic. So that's what you guys want to be doing to actually make the most out of your social media platforms and your affiliate marketing journey, because the key to making money is traffic with affiliate marketing. All right, that's what you guys want to do, is drive traffic to your link, and the best way to do that is to get the most exposure. Create content for one, but repost them for all, and that's what you guys want to be doing. But if you guys want to do long format content, I suggest you guys actually do that. YouTube is still the second SEO, search engine optimization, and then it's Pinterest. What that means is that it's actually gonna help you stay on that platform for longer if you do long form videos. Let's say you guys create a short form video, you guys could easily do the same exact thing, but instead you guys are gonna extend that. So what you guys are gonna do is actually just extend that short form video to a long form video, and then post that on YouTube. Okay, and that's basically it. You can still do the YouTube Shorts, but a long form video is still one of the best ways to actually stay on longer in that platform and to make passive income, especially because if you do TikTok, yes, you can still make passive income, but if you make one video, that video could get lost with your other video. But with YouTube, people are looking at that video, even years has passed since you created that video will still get traffic, and you guys could still get clicks off that one video. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And also, if you guys want to know how you guys can actually start making money with affiliate marketing step by step, I do have a free course featuring my mentor, and I'll leave it down in my description below, so you guys could just easily click that and sign up. All right, and yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.